Hi, so latest on the GT. As you can see, we've got the bumper on. So my mate Stu painted that for me after I did the repair and fiberglassed it all up and so forth and flatted out. Stuart put the colour on for me. This is quite a complicated one. It's this 3-stage paint. You've got to put down this primer and then this light blue and a blue primer, sorry, and then you need to put down the metallic blue and then a clear coat. And you can see it's come out nice. You can't see the damage. I put in the grill I got, that second-hand grill, to replace the broken one. Managed to fit back in all of the rest of the fittings for the bumper. See, we've got a real good shine on that. So now the job is really, it looks a little bit darker. If you look very close, it's slightly darker now. That's probably gonna be resolved by the fact that I haven't done the paintwork, the rest of the paintwork yet. Once I've machine polished the old lacquer, it should, once I polish up the old lacquer, it should come up a bit darker. I can show you here where I just did a little bit of polishing and you see it's a closer match there. So, what we've done so far, also, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, I haven't got a torch to shine it for you underneath here, but I replaced those 2 bent rear arms. So, replace the 2 bent rear arms, put in a good second-hand oil cooler. Thanks to also Luso for that. Big shout out to Lawrence there. You got it to me super quick. So popped in good used oil cooler, put those rear arms in, did a cam belt change, oil filter, and repaired that bumper, fitted the bumper. So all the MOT stuff's done. It's going back in for its MOT tomorrow. That's why I'm not polishing up the rest of the paint yet. I'll let it go in for its MOT, then I'll polish up the rest of the paint and give the interior a detail. To be fair, interior doesn't need a lot. This car was super clean when it came to us. And it really is not going to need an awful lot to get it looking really smart. So that's the latest on it. So let's get it back in for its MOT, for its retest, with a new ticket on it, with the full service done, full detailing. I'm thinking chance I'm at 3.5. I think, to be honest, someone's getting a great buy at 3.5 for a car that's going to be in this condition. There are not many of these about. It does look super fantastic. So let's get that re-MOT done. Let's get the machine polished and done, and then get it up on the market.